Hello friends, today's story is Powerful Prayers. So let's start. Kim and Ray were very close companions. They were neighbors, classmates at school and later colleagues at work. One day they decided to go on a sea voyage to explore strange lands. They began their voyage in a cruise ship and traveled far and wide. However, in the course of their trips, the weather turned very destructive. The ship was wrecked in the middle of the ocean. Most of the passengers were killed, but Kim and Ray could swim to a nearby island. The island was deserted. Not even a tree was there. Kim and Ray realized that they could not survive on the island without divine intervention. They decided to pray to God. They wanted to see whose prayers would be more powerful. Kim moved to the eastern tips of the island, knelt down and began to pray there. Ray went to the western tips of the island and prayed there. Kim prayed to God to give him food to survive. Surprisingly, he got a pile of food, fruits and vegetables on the seashore. After 2 days, he requested for a beautiful girl as his wife, as he was feeling very lonely on the island. In a few hours, there was a ship wrecked near the island and a lone survivor, a beautiful girl. Kim married the girl. Whatever Kim prayed for was granted to him. Almost a month after the ship wreck, Kim decided to move back to his hometown. He prayed to God to send him a ship to take him home. Sure enough, there came a ship to take Kim and his wife home. As the couple was about to enter the ship, Kim heard someone speak to him. It was just a voice. "Are you going alone? Leaving your companion of life here. Leaving your companion of life here." Kim was surprised. "May I know who is this and whom you are referring to?" "I have my wife with me." The boy said, "I am the one to whom you offered your prayers, whom you request to save your life, and whom you requested food and shelter, and of course a wife." Kim knelt down in awe and said, "Thank you, God." Then Kim remembered about Ray, whom he had forgotten all this time. He was overcome with guilt. God said to him, "I was not answering your prayers. I was only fulfilling Ray's prayers." He prayed for only one thing. He said, "Please fulfill all of Kim's prayers." That was his only prayer. Kim was in tears and rushed to the other side of the island. He realized that he had not even thought about his best friend Ray and was happily enjoying his own life. He could not find Ray there. He asked God, "Where is Ray?" God replied, "I took him with me. The man with the golden heart should be with me, but I will fulfill all your prayers as I promised him to do." So Kim was completely broken. He realized why his friend's prayers were more powerful. It was because Ray's prayers were totally selfless. So friends, the moral of this story is selflessness is the highest form of prayers. So friends, the story ends here. Thank you.